Hi guys, this is Server. In this video, we will see how to create resume using Canva. For those who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphical designing tool. It is a free software and the website for reference is canva.com. Needless to say, resume plays a key role in getting a job for anyone who is searching for it, maybe a college student or a person who is already in a job and trying to switch. So please pay attention and learn how to make an effective resume using Canva. Let's go, guys. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you are regularly watching it and also if you like it. Let's go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up and then log in. I have already got an account and I have signed in. So we will see how to create resume using Canva today, right? So we'll go to create a design and click on the resume option, right? When you click on that, you will land in this particular page where you will be provided with a blank template on the right hand side, and on the left hand side there are pre-made resumes given by Canva for us to use. So you can select some of the resume and see what it contains, right? So let us quickly go through a couple of them and see which one fits your need, right? And then you can customize that, or you can just use the blank template and start typing. All right, let's click on a couple of them and see what is the first one. Yeah, I'm just zooming and seeing. So this is the resume of a software engineer, right? So he has put a picture on the right hand side, left hand side his name Richard, and programming language, what are things he knows, what is his experience, what is his designation, and which company he worked from, what month and year, and to what month and year the period he worked for the company, and what he has done in that company is written in bullet points. On the left hand side, his contact details like phone number, mail ID, and website are given, and his qualification is on the left hand side. Right? This is a resume of a software engineer. Let us see a couple of other things. Kiran More. So let us see. She is a songwriter. So what she is a fresher. She has written that I am a fresher in songwriting and extremely passionate about music, seeking an opportunity to work as a songwriter to learn and polish my skills. All right, so she's a songwriter. So she mentions she's a fresher and she has added a few lines under a couple of headings like what she has achieved, what is her work experience. So she's a fresher, so she has added what she has done during her college days and what are her special skills like impressive speed, coachable, workhorse, and what is her qualification on the left hand side, and her contact details like mail ID and phone number are on the right hand side bottom, right? So similarly, there are plenty of resumes, samples are given here. You can just go through them and read and find the one which is closest to your qualification and skill set, and you can just pick that and update, right? So next is Olivia Wilson. So she is a digital marketing specialist, right? So she had accordingly updated her resume like education, qualification, what are her skill set, what is her experience, and also the contact info, right? So this is interesting, guys. Really, it is very easy to use, and it is very easy to customize also, right? So let us pick up the software guy one we saw earlier and then try to update. Okay, Rachel, right? So if you see that each element here is editable, right? Each box and even the photo is editable. So what we will do is we will start updating, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the name as this is Sarva. This is just a sample. You can just put your name here. So software engineer is also fine. Let it be. Software engineer is okay. So programming language, some sample we can add like C++ and C just two languages I'm adding just as an example, right? And I'm removing these two. Okay, so experience software engineer as, so he will say that I will say XYZ software international, I'm just adding, and this one I'm saying from Jan 2020 to till till to date. We can say that means he's still working in the company, right? So here you can mention anything you like. So you can say develop technology and assisted fortune companies with the scaling content distribution by 60%. Okay, so you can say that, I experienced in C and C plus plus languages. So have worked for top IT companies in the US and UK. Build and maintain websites and scale to IM. Okay, so these are example, guys. So whatever you want you can add. I will leave it there. So as per your experience, whatever you want to highlight here, you can highlight. That is the idea. So software engineer, so problem solver, fast learner with the strong communication skills. So yeah, I'm motivated to upgrade and expand my skill set through mentorship and challenging projects. Right, guys. So here you can just talk about yourself. You can say committed and hardworking. Right. So problem solver. I am motivated to upgrade. I enjoy working collaboratively. So I am a good team player and enjoy working collaboratively, but can also run with project independently. Okay, so fine. So you understood what is to be written, right? So you can just mention your qualities and what you feel that you should highlight to the employer. You can just update there. So number is here. So I'm just going to put some dummy numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So I'm saying that. So I'm saying hi at this is sarva.com and www.thisissarva.com, just an example. So educational institute, international university, bachelor science. Okay, what I'm going to put here is masters in computers, right? And some university, you can say Madras University, India. I'm just giving an example, guys, right? So that's fine. So here you can say when you completed the course, right? So I will put it like August 2018 to 2021, 22 years course. So I will leave it there. Okay, now, right? So this is Sarva and some content brief about yourself, some programming languages, experience and contact and education qualification you have added. Now, if you want to update this pic, right, on the left hand side, if you go to uploads, you click on the uploads and click on upload media. It will take you to your local and you can pick up the picture from your local drive. So I am just picking up one photo and I have brought it here, right? So what I will do is now I will just click on this photo. Then my photo has come here. I will remove this guy, and what I will do is I will just place my photo here and reduce the size by pulling from the corner, right? Just to fit into the circle. Yeah, so it does come, right? It's very easy to do. If you want to add one more page, you can just click on add page and it will create a blank page and you can add anything extra you wanted to add. It is very simple, right? So this is one way. What we have done is this time we have picked up existing resume template and we just changed. So when you want to save this, you can just go to file and click on save button, right? When you want to download it, you have to go to download and click on download. So on the right hand side, file type is mentioned. If you click on that, there are different formats: JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, and GIF. You can choose any format you want to download the document, right? So here PNG is suggested, so let us go with that, and I click on download. It is getting downloaded. When you click on this particular page after download, it looks like this, right? So it's good enough. All right, so far what we have seen is we created the resume by picking up the already made one and we customized, right? Now what we can do is we can just create a resume from a blank page. So now we will create our resume from a blank template. I'm going to create design and I click on resume, and now a blank page is open, right? So I can increase the size little bit by moving this to the right? So here, let us go to uploads and add my photo here. So I will just add my photo as a first step, and I will keep it to the right side corner, right guys? Done. So yeah, yeah, okay, fine. So now on the left hand side, if you go, there is text mentioned here. Click on that. So where there are different types of fonts available, you can choose, right? We will go with the add a heading. So I click on add a heading, it has come to the right hand side, you can see that, right? So we will say this is Sarva as my name, so we can just keep it at the top. Yeah, okay. Now we can add a paragraph, right? So what we'll do is we will click on the subheading page, then it will come here. We will keep typing as we like it, right? So I'm just putting it as a sample. So professional, dedicated, hardworking. I am passionate about taking ownership and completing tasks of the team, right? Just an example guys, so you can put whatever you really want to put it here. I am just showing you guys how to do. What you want to put is absolutely up to you. It depends on your skill set, your passion, your interest, right? Your qualification and your experience, right? So I have given a brief about the candidate, just an example. Yeah, so okay, this is done. So then what we'll do, we will just add here like experience, right? This is one. Okay, if you click on that and click it, the size will be reduced. If you want to move it to the left, you can move, right? So then add a body, right? So here I have just added a body. So here what will experience, it will say that, so xyz xyz software, right? So and we'll say as delivery head, and we'll say from which year to which year. So from January 2016 to December 2020, for example, right? So I'm just adding my experience as an example. So we'll keep it. For alignment, you can click on this, right? So it has been aligned. So you have to add your experience here. If you are a fresher, you can just mention you are a fresher and what you have done in your college days when you are studying. Yeah, so you can move it to the left and a little more. So then let us add our skill sets, right? So add a heading here. So what I'm doing is I'm saying skill set. I'm just saying this is 27, so we will reduce it to 27. We'll move it to the right little bit. Yeah, it's aligned. And we can say, we can just copy this. You can just move here. And I'm just saying that, I'm saying that project management, customer handling, right? So I'm just mentioning a couple of items. You can put your computer knowledge or any other skill set you have, right? So fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy these two and Control C, Control V. I'm just planning to bring it down, and I'm saying that my contact info, right? So contact me, I'm saying, and I'm saying that what I'm going to do now is I'm going to type my phone number 9123456789, which is a dummy number, and hi at this is server.com and www.thisisserver.com as my website. So I have given that, right? And so you can group these two by clicking on the three dots and click on group. So what will happen is when I move, both contact me and the contact details will come together. Yeah. So I have done like that. So similarly, so if you can see that there are some gaps here. Basically you can add more content to this, whatever you want to add in terms of experience and in terms of skill set, right? Any anything more you wanted to add, like what are the languages, right? Any specific location you want to work, right? And stuff like that, right? Effective project management skills, good in team management, good in mentoring team members, something whatever you will feel like, right? So that's okay. Character skill set is fine. So you can say that you can add one more like achievements, right? So we'll do that as well. So let's say achievements. Achievements you can say, right? So best performer of the year 2021, and you can say XYZ software as a delivery head, right? So we are kind of complete. This is only example, guys. I'm just again showing you how to do. What content you want to put is absolutely based on your personal information, right? So as we saw earlier, if you want to save, go and save here. If you want to download, go and click on download, select the file type, click on download, it will be downloaded. It is getting downloaded, you can see on the top. So if you click on that particular page, it looks like this. So anything you want to change, you can change, right? So it's very easy to create a resume using Canva. This is what I wanted to show you. Hope this was useful to you guys. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon to get notification whenever I release my next video. Please share your comments and also let me know any specific topic you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Serva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.